my sister's cat, I left my door open, okay? I left my door open so they could come in and out. For some reason, the cat comes in. My sister's cat, whom is not my cat, remember, comes in and starts yowling at 5 a.m. 5 a.m. Non-stop. And I'm like, I can't take this anymore. I looked around and I didn't see him anywhere, okay? I didn't see him anywhere. I bet you this little guy was hiding under my bed, okay? So I closed the door and then it's quiet and I'm like, oh, thank God. So it's completely silent and I'm having a good time in the silence. And this